Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. Then select the Settings icon. Scroll to and select Battery. Select the menu icon, then select Battery Usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Battery Saver. Then select Turn On Now. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To turn off adaptive brightness, scroll to and select Adaptive Brightness. Select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To reduce screen brightness, select Brightness. Select and drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To set a shorter screen timeout, select Screen Timeout, then select the desired option. To turn off AutoSync, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts. Select the Automatically Sync Data switch to disable AutoSync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling AutoSync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to turn them off. To disable location services, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Location. Select the Use Location switch. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon. Then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Then select Don't Auto Update Apps. Then select Done. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar twice. Then select the airplane mode icon.